Hello, my name is Tyler Melton. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Corveus Medical, where we are building a minimally invasive device to alleviate the burden of heart failure. At Corveus, we've developed a catheter device to address the 6 million heart failure patients in the United States because half don't respond to current treatment, leading to huge cost to the system. In order to address this, we developed a minimally invasive device to prevent these heart failures. These patients are initially hospitalized and given medications to alleviate their symptoms, but as their medication stops working, they're now caught in a deadly loop of rehospitalization, billing substantial costs, lasting to the end of life or transplant. At Corveus, we've developed a simple, minimally invasive solution to intervene here, breaking this cycle and changing the course of this disease. In order to prevent these issues, we will utilize the splenic nerve as our intervention target. For various types of studies from temporary blocks to surgical lysis, decreasing this nerve signal has shown overall benefit in patients. In one study, seen on the left, all patients starting class 3 heart failure improved to 1 or 2 by the end of 12 months. This nerve is actually not located directly on the heart, but below it next to the spine. Seen here is a heart failure patient with the vacuum fluid in his lungs and heart. Our device is inserted through the patient's vascular system where it crosses the nerve at a specific location. After puncturing the vein, we send direct RF energy straight to the nerve, severing it, and then our catheters are removed from the patient's body. The patient's fluid-filled lungs and heart are then able to instantly recover, lowering pressure and alleviating the patient's symptoms. While current ablation therapy non-specifically destroys tissue, our competitive advantage directly addresses cardiologist concerns. Precision ablation minimizes collateral tissue damage when ablating the nerve, and also confirming that it is done correctly prior to leaving the OR. Importantly as well, since our device is not directly used in the heart, it does not affect the use of additional cardiac treatment options. Our team has worked in device development, project management, cardiology, and has had a recent acquisition for a catheter-based company. Our advisory board consists of serial entrepreneurs, extensive cardiac device design experience, and national leadership in heart failure. To date, we performed numerous preclinical studies where we were able to show both feasibility and safety. And in our 3-week chronic study, all pigs survived the ablation, were healthy, and contained little to no hematoma afterwards. And we deliver value to all involved stakeholders in the landscape, from giving hospitals a tool to avoid quality penalties, lowering readmissions, and giving patients a pathway for a better quality of life. We are likely a class 3 PMA device, but with some of our unique features, we also do see a potential path for a class 2 de novo that we are assessing. Our reimbursement strategy lays out pathways for inpatient and outpatient settings, as well as physician reimbursement. We also have an avenue to supplemental and clinical trial coverage. We have a PCT file with exclusive license with Texas Medical Center, and initial landscape analysis shows no expected conflicts. Our beachhead market are the 240,000 patients that are repeatedly hospitalized, which is a $3.4 billion market with our current ASP. Importantly, though, if we capture 12% of these 60,000 patients that are uncomplicated, we can attain $100 million in revenue. We've recently completed a $900,000 pre-seed round that'll take us through our final device design, and which we expect to finish in Q3 of this year. Once this is complete, we're planning to raise a $3 million seed round starting in Q4, which will start initial manufacturing and take us our first in-human OUS. We are Corveus Medical, and we are alleviating the burden of heart failure. Thank you.